Lace fronts, hair weaves, if you wanna get your hair lace, if you wanna come see me. Silk press, rock the fly ass dreads, I can guarantee that you wanna come see me.
Good morning, my low riders. What's up? And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. Yeah, you guys, today I'm downstairs doing hair. I have a client who had back surgery about 6 weeks ago, and she can't go upstairs. And, of course, my beauty room is upstairs. So with that being said, I'm doing her down here. I only do my VIPs. I've been doing her for almost 25 years. So, yeah, she's going to be getting a weave takedown and putting another weave in. Got all my stuff, my comb, my brush, my clips, my product, pressing comb, blow dryer, flat iron. And then let me show you the products I'm using. Of course, I got the Even Edge Control. I'm sorry, I keep saying Even. The Eden Edge Control, Kera Wax Stick, the Eden Leave-In Conditioner, Proclaim Heat Protecting and Glossing Polish, and also Sabella's Finishing Spray. That spray is so light, it does not hold the hair down. And I'm going to be shampooing her with Pantene Miracle Rescue, which is awesome, and Carol's Daughter Goddess Strength. So good, such a good combination. And got a little towel here, and this gadget right here, I bought this a long time ago. And all is the air come out of this thing. Okay, did I have the air came out? I gotta blow it up again. But it's not really hard to blow up. But you put the air in it, and it's a cushion on their neck and their back. And the water goes straight down the sink. I'm gonna show you guys in 1 second. Hold on. Okay, you guys, it's now blown up. And if I didn't have this chair and it was a lower chair, this is what would happen. Hold up, let me show you. Or if you had somebody like a kid laying back on the sink, this is how it would go, like this. But let me turn some water on so y'all can see. Goes in the sink. Oh, I gotta take the little thing out. Help y'all. Goes in the sink. Customers lay back, head right here where this hole is, and voila, shampoo, and the water goes right down the drain. And I ordered this off of Amazon, you guys, so yeah, and it was really cheap too. So her appointment is at 8 o'clock. She'll be pulling up any minute because she's never late. You guys, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna put the chair back. Okay, anyway, that is that, and yeah. Okay, my little riders, I'm getting ready to shampoo her hair, and look at the little apparatus. She said that her back, it didn't hurt her neck or anything. She was comfortable, and it was easy for me to do too, you guys. It was so easy, and the water ran straight down the sink. Her shirt didn't get wet. There was no water on the floor. Amazing. Love it. Let me rephrase that. I love it for my clients who won't be able to get up the stairs for some reason. But this ain't something I regularly do because I ain't even no kitchen beautician like this. But for my client of over 24 years, I'll do it. I will do it. But like I said, I'm really not a kitchen beautician. I have a whole beauty room upstairs for you people that are new watching. So you think, oh, she doing her hair in the kitchen sink and blah, blah. No. And trust and believe, after I shampoo her and I'm finished with her, my sink gets disinfected to the fullest. Not saying she has anything, because I know she doesn't, but it just gets disinfected really, really good. Y'all know what? Let me put you on. This Eden leave-in conditioner is the bomb. It leaves the hair so soft, and it even has a light sheen to it, you know, after you blow dry it. So soft. It's bomb. Y'all got to get some of that. You guys, I'm getting ready to use the braid up the hair using the So Slick. It's the Bratz line. It's the best braiding gel ever, and I believe it's under her wife's hair care line Kaleidoscope. But it is the best braiding gel ever. Okay, now you guys, I have rinsed the conditioner out. I'm getting ready to blow dry the hair. So I'm using it. I don't even know what this apparatus is called. I bought it so long ago, but you just clip the extensions in there, pull it back, and the little suction cups are stuck to the counter, and you blow dry the hair like that. It gets the hair really dry, but it doesn't get the track really dry. So what I do is after I sew the tracks on, I blow dry them to make sure they're dry. Watch this little thing, you guys. Just watch this thing. And that's how that works. The hair is pulled through the little, what are those things called? I don't know what it's called. The pointy things that I pull the hair through. And then I'm able to blow dry it I don't have to hold the hair and blow dry it at the same time. Pretty cool invention, huh? I just took the blow dryer through that because I just wanted it to be all super straight. Okay, I'm about to start sewing the hair on. The extension, the wefts, the tracks. You get the gist, baby. And I am doubling it also. And I keep speeding the video up for you guys because I know you guys don't want to sit and watch a 45-minute video. So I'm speeding it up because I'm thinking about y'all.
I begin to You're mine for sure.
Remember I told you guys that little apparatus don't get the weft dry? So I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer and dry the wefts. Okay, you guys, I am finished with her weave. I showed you guys from start to finish. And today I am a kitchen beautician. But I won't be tomorrow and the next day and the next day and the next day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a video. So with that being said, I'm out, you guys. Y'all stay blessed, okay? Oh, and my camera died, so I wasn't able to take pictures. My bad.